Kia Sportage. We're doing the AC kit today. So here's the AC kit we're going to be putting on the Sportage. We've got the condenser here, compressor in that box. We've got some new valves, O-rings we're going to put on everything we open, and an expansion valve. Locations, condensers in front. We'll be taking off the front bumper. Compressors on the bottom there, we'll show it to you later. And the expansion valves right here. So all this is very simple to get done. See how long it takes. Okay, bumper. First thing you're gonna do is take off those in front. It's already off. All of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. Take those off. Okay, once you get those little guys out, get your 8mm and whatever ratchet you use. Okay. 8mm fell off. Where'd you go? But anyways, right here, there's an 8mm. Driver side, passenger side. Take those off. And the driver side here. And then you just pull them out. Pull out the... It's hard with one hand. Okay, so just pull it. Pull it once you get those out. You got these little fog lights or something. Just twist and turn those out. Again, hard with one hand. See that? And then I'm sure you got one on the other side. So once you get the bumper off, you see how easy it is to get to this condenser. Very important to replace this condenser, because this is the filter for the new AC compressor. Wise to replace. So that's the next step, which is very easy to. Take those two 10s out, take this out, and it'll yank right out of there. So after you pull that tab, you're able just to pull it right out. No easier way than that. Then you grab your new one and reverse the same procedure. It doesn't take a genius. Look at that. So before putting your bumper on, go ahead and take off the skid plate. You'll have all this little extra free room. It was 12mm. 1, 2, 3, 4. There were 5. And a couple of those little plastic ones there on here. So, but if you look how easy that is to get to. Probably the hardest part is taking the belt off, but I'm sure you can figure that out. Okay, after you get the belt off, get underneath here, get your 12mm. I'd start with the hoses first. Take the 12mm and take both of those 12mm, and then on the bottom, and then on the top there's 2 more, and then the compressor will come out. So there's the new compressor in. I started this morning at 7:30. We got 2 of the major parts in. All we got left to do next is do the expansion valve. Save the easiest for last. Put the belt back on. Get the bumper back on. And then we'll vacuum and recharge this vehicle. Be back soon. Loosen up the 10mm. Pull that out. There's your expansion device. There's going to be... Take these 2 out, and then take that one out. Then there'll be, let's see what's next. So So yeah, take the 210s and this 12 out on the side there and just yank it out. Put some new O-rings in your spot. I got the new part over here, still wrapped up in plastic. I'm gonna get that installed. Now, it's time to vacuum. So before I put all the bumper and skid plates back together, we're gonna go ahead and vacuum it and charge it and test it and see how it goes from there. And now we have a finished car blowing ice cold air. Oh, that line is ice cold too. Another job done. Ready for the next one. Like and subscribe, everybody.